Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The June non-farm payrolls report delivered a major downside surprise, with the US economy adding only 57,000 jobs, far below expectations and sharply lower than the previous reading. The dollar index initially plunged toward 100.55 as markets priced in a softer Fed outlook. However, with unemployment falling to 4.2% and wage growth holding at 3.5%, the dollar quickly recovered part of its losses. WTI crude fell towards $68, its lowest level since late February, as oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz continued to recover. Investors also welcome signs of progress in indirect talks between the US and Iran. Crude shipments through the waterway reportedly rose above 10 million barrels per day, while UAE and Iranian exports also rebounded. However, Tehran still insists on maintaining maritime control over the strait, keeping geopolitical risk firmly on the radar. Spot gold rallied strongly after the US June jobs report came in much weaker than expected. The dollar index dropped sharply, treasury yields moved lower, and gold broke above the $4,100 level. The data reinforced the narrative of a soft landing, but with slowing economic momentum. As a result, markets reduced expectations for Fed tightening, supporting precious metals. For now, gold remains sensitive to shifts in dollar direction, treasury yields, and Fed policy pricing. Yen dropped by more than 100 points to around 160.65 after the US payrolls report. Traders are now watching closely for any signs of Japanese FX intervention. While the yen remains under pressure from the wide US-Japan rate gap, potential action from Japanese authorities and the Bank of Japan's hawkish signals may continue to limit further upside. Euro saw sharp volatility after the June US payrolls report triggered a major repricing across global markets. The pair rose toward 1.144 during the European session, but broader dollar strength continued to pressure the euro. Meanwhile, easing US-Iran tensions could weigh on oil prices and strengthen expectations of a more dovish European central bank, limiting euro upside in the short term.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.